That's good. So in my case, I was also doing study. I was studying my IELTS academic books, and recently I have thought that I go somewhere else in order to refresh my mind. So that's why I've come here to meet strangers, and at the same time where I can practice my English language with other countries'
Um,
people.
are you student or are you working?
Yeah, doing both. Doing job at the same time I'm doing study.
Oh wow, you can do two things at the same time. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Yeah, you are a
definitely.
good person at time management.
Yeah, at the same, I would say beside that, I am also teaching English language to other people, making content for YouTube, and managing my working time. And I also have a little family, and I have to like shop some things like commodities and some other necessary products for maintaining my family, food,
Oh.
and all of those things.
Oh, you are a YouTuber. What kind of content you make?
I make only English contents from my videos. Others English content, other English learners can learn English language easily, and it's completely free. People don't need to pay any money for learning English language from my sites. And I always try to demonstrate other English learners how they can learn English language easily without facing lots of trouble and doing hard work, how they can manage their time and keep practice their English language with strangers, or they can practice their English language by themselves without being afraid.
Oh, that's why I see your English is very good.
Thank you
Like
very
I see,
much.
I usually met some Bangladesh people, but they usually speak English with their accent. They have the strong accent. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to
Yeah,
understand. But when I meet you, I see you don't have the strong accent. Your English is very good. Yeah,
yeah.
really easy to understand. I understand every single word you say.
Okay, thank you very much. Only because of that, I have been practicing my English language such a long days, and currently I am practicing my. I am preparing myself for IELTS exam, so that's why I changed my accent a little bit because IELTS is very difficult, and as you know that IELTS test is going to check your ability about English language, how the proficiency that you have. You have to perform better in order to get good band scores in IELTS exam, right? So that's why all day I'm trying to immerse myself with English language. Always I try to listening native English speakers, podcast, audiobooks, how they are how their tone and all of those things.
Yeah, how old are you?
I'm only 23 years and 8 months.
23 years. You're older than me. You're older than me 4 years. So
What about you? How old are you?
I'm just 19 years old.
Wow, you are just 19 years old, but still your English language is very well. But when I was 19 years old, at the time I couldn't speak English language as you have the fluency right now.
Oh my gosh, I see sometimes my English is not good, especially when discuss some basic topic or just communication like usual. Every day I totally can communicate, but when discuss about some technical or professional topic, no,
Yeah,
I have no idea to talk because I also try to learn some advanced course in my major on because my major is economic and I have to learn some technical words about that field, but I can't remember and I also can't use it. I think I need to practice more.
yeah, no
What is the
problem because sometimes professional English language is very difficult to get what they're talking about and what to say and what to discussing about, right? But I would say, as English is an international language, if you have a little bit proficiency about it, how to communicate with strangers and how to make basic conversations with them, how to express your thought and feelings with other people, that is good enough, no problem. But if you want to get your higher study in abroad country, then you have to consider yourself to learning more deeply and more widely as well, so in order to engage English language more and more, right?
Yeah.
So as you don't have that kind of like dreams or that kind of um, desire at the current situations, so you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah. So what is your major? Your major is English?
Now my major is not English, my major is nursing. I have done my nursing study from Bangladesh and I got my license. I have permission to work in hospitals because I am a registered nurse in Bangladesh, and I am currently working in a hospital. At the same time, I am trying to get my higher study in abroad country, so that's why I am preparing myself for IELTS exam.
Yeah. How long have you worked as a English teacher?
It's only couple of months because while I started preparing myself for IELTS exam, at that time I thought if I teach English language to other people, probably these things is also going to help my like a proficiency a little bit, because teaching, the more you teach other people, the more things that you have to know. Because if you don't know anything new, or if you don't have knowledge in a certain topic, you cannot be able to teach other people, you cannot share your experience with these people, right? So when I started teaching English language to other people, these things helped me a lot to learn a particular topic deeply. Yeah, that was my main reason, to teach English language to other people.
Yeah. Uh,
But I would say this is not my profession.
okay, got it. Before you become the English teacher, did you get some qualification related to English like IELTS or something? Oh my God, the time is up. By the way,
Okay, our time is, but may I know please that which country are you from?